Binance is an online exchange where users can trade cryptocurrencies. It supports hundreds of the most commonly traded cryptocurrencies. Binance provides a crypto wallet for traders to store their electronic funds. The exchange has supporting services for users to earn interest or transact using cryptocurrencies. Binance's mission is to be the infrastructure provider to the blockchain ecosystem. Today, Binance is a global blockchain ecosystem spanning across trading, services, infrastructure solutions, educational resources, research, social good, and charitable programs, investment, and incubation initiatives, and more. The Binance Earn platform allows users to stake and earn interest by depositing stable coins. Users get diverse options and interest rates depending on the coin and the tenure of stake or deposit. The Binance Visa card allows its users to convert their tokens into fiat currency and use it to buy products and services. Binance provides a crypto wallet for traders to store their electronic funds. The exchange has supporting services for users to earn interest or transact using cryptocurrencies. It also offers programs for miners and helps traders make investment decisions. Binance has its own blockchain-based token BNB. The Binance Web3 wallet allows its users the ability to self-custody their digital assets rather than store them on a centralized exchange like Binance. Users bear the responsibility of safekeeping their assets without being exposed to third-party exchange risks like theft or hacks. Binance is the world's leading cryptocurrency exchange, catering to 235 million registered users in over 180 countries, with low fees and over 350 cryptocurrencies to trade. Binance is the preferred exchange to trade Bitcoin, altcoins, and other virtual assets.